severe thunderstorm warning for eastern McLean County.
Oh my gosh.
45 a.m. At 9:20 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles southwest of Saybrook, or 13 miles southwest of Gibson City, moving northeast at 65 miles an hour.
Oh my gosh.
Expected hazards include 70 miles an hour wind gusts.
70? Whoa.
This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage.
I did not expect this, folks. I was still in sleep.
Locations impacted include
EAS 17.
Saybrook, Bellflower, Arrowsmith, Cropsey, Anchor, and Weston. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 p.m. for East Central Illinois.
Double header?
You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio.
There's no tornado watch.
Station KZZ 65 in Bloomington. During severe weather, keep these safety rules in